Hello guys, start with the tool, get the two clips free, just wiggle it around. There is one right here, yes, and one right there, as you can see. Make sure it's loose at the front, at the back, and at the front, and get it off. The cover, don't scratch it, put it on a nice place, the seats maybe, and then get the two cables from the mirror. I had to work at the other side because it started to raining, so just let you know, the cables are out, and now start at the clips at the mirror. I had to use my tool to get it free because I don't want to break it. If you use your hands, you will use too much force and then something will break. It's all plastic. Now it's time to get the mirror out, and that's done. Up to the next step. The next step is very easy. Get the torque screws out. There are 3, not 2. This is also included in the package with the other tool, so that it makes life easier. I will put the link in the description to order this item for your Golf. So the next step is to get it loose. There's one right there and one right there. So now it's time to get this plastic off. As you can see, it's sitting on this click system. This one is very difficult, but I got it finally. I was getting here the last screw because I didn't want to fall, so I let it hang on one screw. Well, there it goes. That's also part of the job, of course, as you know. Keep calm, just keep going. Okay, now it's important to take the screw out on the plastic. That keeps the plastic on the light, and then unplug the cables, the wiring. So there was also a problem with that, but eventually you will get it. Get the new signal light. Reverse the process. put the plug in first and let's do this fast. Thank you guys for watching. This is my first video. I will make more. If you like it, if you have questions, just ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and yeah, peace out, brothers. I will put the item in the description so you can order it and put it on your car, and I will see you later. Peace.